guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. I'm so excited about today's video because I was wanting to do this video since I've started this channel, but I always felt that it was too early. But today I'm going to do a closet tour and show you guys some of the DIYs that I've done, few tips and hacks that could help you as well to organize your outfits and jewelry. So let's get started. So this whole unit is from IKEA and it's custom made. Oh, that's our air conditioner, so you can ignore that. So in this first closet, so this is how I keep my Indian sequin saris. I just put them in wooden hangers and I keep the sari blouses together, so it's easier to find it when I'm in a rush. Few of them are very old. Like this one, I wore this on my 16th birthday. I just love the color and the silver work on it. This one, it's actually my mum's wedding reception sari. I want to keep this. I'll probably keep it forever as a memory, and I haven't worn it yet. I'm just waiting for a special occasion, but I love it. So underneath that, I've got a drawer there where I keep some of my Indian, is it clutches or purses? But anyway, that's where I keep them. Green and the purple. Over here, this was given to me as a gift from a friend of mine. I love pocket watch. Don't ask me why, but I just think they're adorable. I don't carry them around, but I just always wanted one, so yeah. And next to that, I have a photo album where I store all my bindis. This is so much easier to find. I just put them into the slips and you can just pull them out. So that's how I store my bindis. And in there, I just got some of my pearl jewelries. And then next to that, I just got this small box where I put all my safety pins and then some more bindis. I don't know what's the name for this, but in Tamil we sandupottu. And I keep my hairbands there, and then just spare clips. And in this box, I just got all random things like hair clips and hair accessories and things like that. So below this is one of my favorite drawers where I keep all my earrings. So this material, I also got them from IKEA. It stops the earrings from moving when you pull the drawers. How cute is this? Oh, and I purchased this one from Instagram. I haven't worn it yet. And then below this is one of my favorite drawers. This is where I store my bangles. So I actually made this, guys. So I bought flat wood and then I cut them into two pieces and I stuck them together like a V. So it goes like that. And then I bought a round wood stick and then I just put the bangles in there so I can just lift them up and then take out the ones that I want and then put them back in. I know how hard it is to store the Indian bangles. I used to put them in a box, stack them, but every time it just kept getting messy until I came up with this solution. But I'm so proud of myself for coming up with this DIY. So that's that. So below that, I just got this black big boxes. I just put my outfits in there. I don't like to keep them open because it looks really messy. And then these are some of my underskirts. So that's how I store them. I have some of my Indian sandals. Look how pretty this is. I'm obsessed with this one. Let's move on to the next one. And then the second closet that shelf is empty because that's where the CCTV camera monitor or some of the wiring is there, so we keep that empty there because yeah, I don't want to mess around with that. And then over here we have our big TV, and then here we've got some of our confidential stuff, so I'm not going to go through that. And this is actually Ash's drawer. He keeps his extra things in here. And again, this is mine. I just keep all my Indian outfits there in separate boxes, so it's nice and tidy. So this is where I keep my waxing set, and next to that is where I keep some of my hair extensions and some more hair accessories. Below that is where I keep all my branded handbag. So I've got one from Chanel there, and then I've got another one from Chanel, and then this one is a Michael Kors. I have not even used it yet. What is this called? Card holder? Yeah, Ash got these for me. And then there's one more Michael Kors, and that's YSL. There's Michael Kors, and that's Michael Kors as well. So these are just some of my branded handbags. I do have a few more, which is a lot bigger, so I store them separately. I'm not a big fan of branded bags. Ash buys it for me, and most of them I haven't even used it because I'm scared to use it. I don't want to damage it, so it just sits there. Let's move on to the third closet. So this is where I keep all my silk saris. Just like the other sari drawer, I put them in the wooden hanger and keep the blouses together. I got this black sari. I can't wait to wear them, but black is considered as a bad color, so I can't wear them to a wedding or any of the ceremonies. Not even to a temple. I'm not too sure whether I can wear it. No, I can't wear it to a temple as well. But yeah, I might do just a photo shoot with this one day, but I can't wait to wear this. So yeah, that's my silk saris. So below that, I got my extra camera lenses there, and then that's our wedding album. Below that is where I keep my necklaces. This is a few years old, like I think this is about 7 years old. This choker is 17 years old. I don't want to get rid of them. And then I've got a few more chokers here. One in pink and one in blue. I've got another drawer. Most of them are oxidized jewelry. I'm obsessed with them, so I love collecting them. And then I got a few more long chains here. So that's that. And then at the bottom, I just got some of my lining material for sewing and things. I'm not going to show them because it's boring. I got 2 more of my DKNY handbags. This is the one that Ash gifted me for this Valentine's Day, and this one was from, I think, last year if I'm not wrong. And then here I got my backup laptop, and this one is just Ash's shoes. And then the last closet is where I have my churidars. Below that, I just have an empty drawer. It's where I keep all the small Indian things like kadumati, in other words, kamal. And then I got some clips, waist chain, metti, mukuti, nose ring, and then more waist chain in there. Oh, and this one, I bought this from Southall. This one, the Punjabi people, if I'm not wrong, or the North Indians, they wear this when they get married. They tie this on their like a bracelet, and then this part hangs. It's just so pretty. I don't know why I bought them, but I just thought it's pretty, so I had to have them, so I bought them. And then this one, I know this might look gross to you guys, but this is actually my mom's handkerchief. She used it on her wedding day, and I keep it as a memory. I treasure them, so that's gonna stay with me forever. Tika Netichuti, in other words, Netipatam. Oh, this one is actually came out from a phone case. I didn't want to throw them. I know there's few stones missing, but I like making DIYs, so I know one day this will come handy. And here I keep some of my rings. I know these rings are out of fashion, but I hate throwing things, so I just keep them. They'll come to use one day. So I just got some empty boxes there. I'll probably use this to keep my baby things. So let's move on to the next room. Now I'm gonna take you guys to my vanity. Where I store all my makeups. Let me know if you want me to do a proper makeup collection video. I actually made these dividers with a foam board. So yeah, like I said, let me know if you want me to do a proper makeup collection video, and I'll do that separately for you another time. So on top of that, I have some of my most used perfume. So this is a D&G. And I've got a few samples that I'm still testing out. My YSL. I love Marc Jacob Daisy. Love the bottle, and I love the smell as well. And next to that, I just got this little cute guy, just for decorating purposes. So over here is where I keep my statement necklaces. Again, I made this. This was one of my DIYs. I made it with a foam, I bought a foam board, cut it into pieces, and I just stuck them together. So I've got some of my long chains in there, and then some of my statement necklaces. And then my earrings, I keep them separately. So it's easier for me to grab them, use it, and then put it back into place. So like I said, guys, if you want me to go through my makeup collection and do a separate video, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've picked up a few of my tips and hacks that you could also use to organize your outfits and jewelry. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Details can be found on the description box down below. Until next time, bye.